I came on about 4 or 5 years ago to help in the business, and I knew that we needed something, but my background wasn't in manufacturing, and I couldn't quite put my finger on what it was we needed to kind of take us to the next level. I could see that things looked a little unorganized out there, or could be organized better. But it wasn't until Bob from CONNSTEP came in and started talking to me about some of these lean concepts that it really just kind of, the light bulb went off in my head. I just remember thinking, like, yes, that's exactly what we need. We need to, we need more one-piece flow. We need to, do some 5S out there and reduce our inventory. And so I started learning, and just basically started my journey there. And like you mentioned, I had a Kaizen event here, which was just the start of the transformation. Attended the CICC class, which I benefited so much from that I'm actually going to have one of my employees here start it next week.
Fantastic.
And we're trying to push this lean mentality and this continuous improvement concept out on the floor to everybody. I want everyone to think in that way, because I'm seeing the benefits, to our business.
Great.